Hi and welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about sorting layers. When a camera renders a scene, it first draws the object in the back and then draws the object in the front above it, so that we'll have the perception of depth. But in case of a 2D game, we mostly add our sprites at the same depth from the camera. So how does Unity know which one to draw in the front and which one to draw in the back? So you can set this using the sorting layers. Now the most simpler way to do this is to just set the Z values of the sprites. So you can just set one sprite to at Z0 and the next sprite at Z minus 1. So Unity will basically know which is in the front and which is in the back. But this gets very tedious when there are larger number of sprites involved. So Unity offers another way to do it, and these are called sorting layers. So when you add a sprite to your game, say we have added a snowman here, inside the sprite renderer, you see under additional settings, there's an option of sorting layer and order in layer. So basically sorting layer allows you to tell Unity which layer this game object belongs to, and depending on how the layer is positioned in your sorting layers list, the layer will be either rendered on the back or in the front. Now order in layer is basically used to tell Unity which object to draw first within that layer. So for example, we have the default layer. If all your sprites belong to the default layer, you can just set the order in layers, say like one sprite at 0 and one sprite at minus 1, the other sprite at 10. So the sprite at order in layer 10 will be rendered first, that is, it will be in the front, and the other sprites will be in the back. Now to create a sorting layer, we can just go to Edit, Project Settings. So under Tags and Layers, you can add sorting layers here. So as you can see, I've already added a background layer, a foreground layer, and a character layer. So if you want to add one more, then you can just press the plus sign here. And if you want to remove, just select the layer and press on the negative sign. We cannot remove the default layer, but you can reorder it. Like you can decide where the default layer comes. So based on this order, Unity will draw it. Like the background layer will be on the back, then comes the default layer, and then the objects in the foreground will be in front of the default layer, and the objects in the character layer will be in the front. Now to demonstrate this, let's add the background image here, and then let's add some platforms. Say one platform here. Okay, let's move it somewhere here. Okay, then let's add one more platform and move it here. Then let's add one more platform, and this platform is basically behind the background. So when you're not specified the sorting layer, so Unity randomly decides which one to put in front and which one to put in back. So Unity decided this platform will be on the back, so we are not able to see it. So now that we have our game objects, let's add a player 2. So let's add it here. So as you can see, our snowman is also on the back. Now you can just select the sprite, go here to sorting layer and set this to background, and our platforms will set that to foreground, and then our character snowman will be in the character. So even if the snowman comes down, it will be in front of the platform, so you will be able to see the snowman all the time. Then comes the platform and the background is always on the back. Now say you have one more character, say one more snowman here. So you can see we have added a snowman, and if this snowman goes here, so this snowman is actually in front of that snowman. So let me just zoom in here. Yep. So this snowman is actually in front of the other one. So if you want like this snowman to be on back of the other one, so you can just select the snowman and set the ordinal layer to like -1, and the other snowman you can set the ordinal layer to 0. So the other snowman also should be in the character layer. So both snowmans are actually in the character layer, but the ordinal layer is -1. So you can use this for creating parallax background and a lot other stuffs in Unity. Now if you can also set this sorting layer option using a script. So go ahead and let's add a script here. Let's call it layer test. So I've created the script already. Let's go and see what it does. So to assign the sorting layer, you need the renderer component, the sprite renderer component. So you can just say sprite renderer ren. This is a variable of type sprite renderer. So to get the sprite renderer, we are doing renderer equal to get component sprite renderer. Now you can set the sorting layer name in two types. One is using sorting layer dot id to name, and number three. So to find like number of layers, you have to go back to edit, project settings, and tags and layers. So this is number one in ID. This is number two. So this is number three. So number three is nothing but our foreground layer. So if we play the game now, the background layer should be set to foreground here. So let's play it. So as you can see, the background is now set to the foreground sorting layer. Now the other option to set the sorting layer is to give the layer name. So in place of giving the ID name, we can just delete this off and give the layer name as string. Save it, go back to Unity, and if we play the game, the background layer is now in background. As soon as the game starts, it goes to the foreground layer. So similarly, you can also set the order in layer. So all that you have to do is just say renderer dot sorting order equal to 5. So let's go back and play the game. So now the order in layer is set to 5. So that's it. This is how you arrange your 2D sprites using sorting layers in Unity. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.